Can you do that, Mama?
Wow, look at me.
Can you do that?
I just did it. What do you want on yours?
Yeah. Smiley face.
Okay, watch out.
And the nose.
Nose. There you go. Is that good? That's so funny. Have you tried one yet? Are they too hot?
Well, Smiley.
Are they good? They look yummy. I'm very excited. Very excited for these. Good morning. We just made those donut bites and they're a bit shit. They looked so good. But I looked on the recipe afterwards. It was a TikTok I found and all the comments are saying this is crap. So I think next time I'd add cinnamon, make them smaller and cook them hotter. But we'll try them again. So I only had half one. Mika ate hers, but you just doused them in yogurt, didn't you? It's bin day today. So I'm gonna, it's Tuesday, by the way. Jane's coming round. I am gonna go into the garden. Behind the oil, there is a bin that you can use to burn stuff because like my recycling bin is overflowing and this is all recycling. Like it's just insane how much there is. So I'm gonna try. Granny Nana's house did flood, yeah.
Keith one.
Grumpy's, yeah, Grumpy's flooded as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's rubbish. Poor Granny Nana. Had to give her extra cuddles. Yeah, you do your puzzle, my man. I need to clean the fridge and just go through and organise it because it is gross. There's things that have spilled. That's a mouldy carrot. It's like gross. It proper needs a deep clean. So I'm going to take everything out and then clean it. Just, is it raining? I've just Henry hoovered the inside of the fridge and then I'm going to go through and like wash everything now because it's so gross. So gross. It's all clean. These bits are underneath and I can't get the drawers out because the door doesn't open far enough because of the cupboard. So I can't get those bits out. Same as these bits on here are underneath the plastic like here. And you can't get them here. There's like a flap that you need to take the drawer out. So that is as good as it's going to get. I'm now going to start putting stuff back. She's done. She looks beautiful. I've got yogurts, sausage rolls. This is a cucumber salad I made, iceberg chopped up, celery, oranges, some Brussels sprouts I need to use today, butter, cucumbers, tomatoes, grapes, peppers, broccoli, apples, raspberries. This is the kids' frubes, Mika's hummus. This is like meats, the pepperoni and ham and stuff. And then this is cheeses, bacon, potatoes, and then apples and onions. So I separated them with a little tray. And this is just all my other veg. And then chocolate, soup, cheese for the kids, condiments and stuff, queso, and my face rollers and milk. Lovely job. And I cleaned all in here. Who's this babies? Who's this babies? Oh, it's a Nana. Oh, it's a Nana. And the binoxos. Oh, my binoxo boy. Oh, are we fighting? He white, he black. He like to do a fight. No. He black, he white. He like to have a fight. Get your claws out of my skin. Get your claws out of my skin, my baby. Oh, he's a fighty boy today. He's a fighty boy. When my friend was around yesterday, she was like, I have never seen cats like this before because they're just like laying on top of me. She was like, they would 100% not survive for more than like 10 minutes outside. And I was like, I know, that's why they're inside cats. What are we making?
Blue cake.
We're making blue muffins. And why are we doing it? To see how long until
Poop.
our poop goes blue, to see how good our gut health is. So we've got some blue muffins and we're going to make them. And then we'll report back how long it takes to poop out blue. What are we making?
That was what bloom and water.
Mika just showed me this really cool craft thing. You make a flower like this.
Then you just fold the petals in so they don't really touch each other.
And then you put it in water.
Then it will just bloom.
Bloom. So I didn't believe her and she did one and it did it. And I was like, this is amazing. So now we've all made them. I've just done mine. I don't know if mine will work because my petals are a bit big. So we'll see. Let me put it in and see what happens. It's working! That is so freaking cool! Oh my god, I love it, Mika! It's so cool! It's so pretty, Mika!
Open it.
I'll do mine again.
We can't do it
I know what
again.
happens.
Do mine.
Hey! It's nearly 6:30. We're all showered. Fox is asleep. I put him in he's in my room still, so I put him in his bed and I had a shower in the ensuite whilst he was playing on his tablet and he just fell asleep while I was in the shower, so that was nice. I've had my blue muffin, so I'll update you when I have blue poo. Ari has not had a blue muffin. Do you not want blue poo, Ari?
Tarantula.
Mika's gonna have blue poo. Look at the babies. Where's Banana? Look at these babies. Oh, the babies. Where's Banana? Where's Bandit? Let's find him. Where's Banana? Where's Banana? Oh, he's eating everybody's dinner. Are you eating everybody's dinner? Are you eating everybody's dinner, my big boy? Into your ear. Yeah, all 3 kids, touch wood, will be at school tomorrow all day. I am going to sit down with the girls now and we're going to work out when I did my baking and my chocolates and the cookie dough and stuff, we're going to work out what I'm going to make and then I'm going to register and hopefully start selling in February. So excited for that. But yeah, we're just going to brainstorm now. Are we playing Monopoly before bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're going to have a game of Monopoly Vault. Or do you want to play Uno?
Monopoly.
Monopoly. Right, telly off. Get the Monopoly out. Gary, are you looking for spiders?
There's a spider on the telly and a spider on the toilet.
Spider in the toilet that scared Mika. Yeah. We'll see you tomorrow. Say bye.